your leg is that good singer. So from crew, we are the future. A good song, but this song. And they apologize. The web channel at this bar William de Gamaway, cutting the tab de Dandiarte, Jaravan Jalaram, William de Gamaway, Yarumbe, Yara Gamadong, Kuyar Yirol Dances, Kuyar Goma, all Pinto Banyan, and they apologize. The web channel at this bar William de Gamaway, cutting the tab de Dandiarte, Jaravan Jalaram, William de Gamaway, Yarumbe, Yara Gamadong, Kuyar Yirol Dances, Kuyar Goma. Marol ping mo banyan ngamwek jar leg sted ban ay gumi chokar il fot ajim dengarat boy bay ban jalaram we chaw yow ke genjo kamuk mi kerat di leba gamra wala jar leg sted ban ay gumi chokar il fot ajim dengarat boy bay ban jalaram we chaw yow ke genjo kamuk mi kerat di leba gamra wala jar leg sted jararam yan ngamwek jarumbe yan nyam wek jar chai bat yan nyam wek jar yarul yan nyam wek jar ulu jar jurubel yan nyam wek markwa real
Kulban ben Yo, Johnny Kingdom.
Nyan bay rumbeng da, nyan bay alang da, nyan bay rumbeng da dukan beria, nyan chitin chechwet, kwe bay fanda. Nyan bay rumbeng da dukan begang, nyan chitin chechwet, kwe bay fanda. Unugong marik, unugong ay kwe kan dukan beka, kwe bay fanda. Unugong marik. Unugong ay kwe kandu kan beka chokwe bay fanda. Yan bay alang da yengu kena ngab ye yengu kena ngab lo kwe bay fanda. Panagong marik. Yan bay alang da yengu kena ngab ye yengu kena ngab lo kwe bay fanda. Panagong marik. Unugong ay kwe kandu kan beka chokwe bay fanda. Unugong panagong marik. Unugong ay kwe kandu kan beka chokwe bay fanda. Nyan bay alang da nyan bay rumbeng ka nyan bay. Na yan chaweli nyen na yan chaweli po mawai ma ko katiok. Lo bendeno kishila ya lo jaldeno. Nyan bay alang lo bendeno kishila rang lo jaldeno. Nyan bay alang da na yan chaweli nyen na yan chaweli po mawai ma ko katiok. Lo jaldeno kishila rang lo jaldeno. Nyan bay alang da lo jaldeno. Ugetio geting binyale ye ong na yanga pandon ka binyale ngej na yanga panda. Binyale ye ong na yanga pandon ka binyale lwel. Getio getingan binyale te ong na yanga pandon ka binyale ngej na yanga panda. Binyale ye ong na yanga pandon ka binyale ngej. Baremat, nyana baremat. Tina BIGBOY kat kana kui bane rorop bina minjala yekat. Makone tira ter kadayin. Ina BIGBOY kat nyana kui bane rorop bina minjala yekat. Awana manual ma kadayin. Ina BIGBOY kat nyana kui bane rorop bina minjala yekat. Mayor Marial gum kadayin. Ina minjala yekat nyana kui bane rorop bina BIGBOY yekat. Indira makwanya biat adain ina bejala yekan nyana kui bane rorop ina bejala yekan wai chola runa rol adain ina BIGBOY yekan nyana kui bane rorop ina bejala yekan alwanga mading adain ina BIGBOY yekan nyana kui bane rorop ina bejala yekan bai choga kencong adain ina BIGBOY yekan nyana kui bane rorop ina BIGBOY yekan. Nyan bay rumbeng da, nyan bay alang da, nyan bay rumbeng.
Dalipin chadia, ay chadia ya tangin ako badaram. Daling di depan ni alku pinya chewo ka bain kwan. yin nyaling di de ban nyal yin ke ban kwan baba yin chu wa kan kwan ban da wer buongor pa natural gok community gok ku yin chu ba kwa nyakan ran ber wongor baba die kini yin ka be ka ko ka baba die cha ka ye loi liu yin kuran ban ko chi be eke ban legi said ban ko ka chi be wara bu ke ko ji ngor wo ban baba dia yin be ka yen ni ku bi wo nyai ting ke ta wo be le ne le nya tie banya ya kwan ku bu kai ke bu ka nyai ting yin ban di yin be ka nyu ka kai kwa che ke chi nyan ke nyan dia aja chi loy mar me di ene ke ya ban loy ka ne ke na cái chuyện lôi cái bà đã riêng nhà lên gì này chả lên cái chuyện như vậy phù bà đi bữa cái luận cái nó bự lôi nhà lên nhà thì ra này chế quán cái chuyện cái lôi thì nó coi nhà lên đi chi thì của la gì bà đi bà nhai ngor của bà cầm hoa gì nhít của biết của nhai ngor à bà quét ra vào cái đoạn lan bà lan này là ra vào tin cái ban chỉ cả qua như bên ai à cái thao ý chuyện nhà lên à cứ luôn bà ta cái nhà lên nhà thì Akol ayum po ne dal ka ni ka dia ki chi wo ga dai lui chi ma tio ko pin chi chual ko yin be ja dai wo ga mo di ne le ya cha lel ka ga loy mo di ka ya be gari ban di na be nyen ti do a be ka kan be loy bu tu ku ba wa lang be ja la baba dia kana cha tie ko cha ne ma ka je piandu ne rian ku rin ke ya che kristo ban di da amen
Chairperson outgoing.
Thank you, MC. Protocol remains up. Both stable. This side, the other side. There's no time to mention all the people. I would here to welcome everybody. Feel at home, and we are very happy to have all of you here. I think that's what I can say, and my speech is later. Thank you so much. The EC chairperson, Mr. Joseph Ponwai Madur, I would like to recognize Madam Honorable Ayan in our midst, please, with people, how we are here today. Please, you are highly welcome.
Before Kayan Latwing Kuma de Baluel, Tabana Cha Kuma did the Dong Gada Yang Dajiri Mizgariang, Diga Ranakuma. Kayan Ban Tibanban, Marquanto, Kumilban, Wa Chale Yared Gua Chalorban, and Japom Yared, welcome to Nakal Nakidian Low Canet. Check it, Taban, and Lakin the community gag, Kuocgoor. So, Mierpom Bakan Lawik, or Bajala Twink, Keparnama, Yen, it all done. Bajakan Gole yan Maling Runarol, Ayan my deputy chair, Chol Machar, Chol Nato, you have been doing that. Randat Bacholia, my SG, Ran Kache Gatbeng Akuma, Aba Chol Twinga, Sibit Gordon React, Bar Twington. Nap de Nyap Makuach eran bot Sibit Jogia Ayual Beban Randat Baba Cholia eran Kachenti Gananga Genti Cha Lim Bakayato Big Kuocgoor Chol Lino that Lino Randalo Chogia Liu at the school Chola Margor at the school so Chubutotan Kowakal. Randat Bachol later information Maro Makir, Maro Nato, Batwin. Randat Bachol later internal and external affairs. Then William Cook, Nato. Ivan Bej, Randet sports kapan kura kiga to ko ache poko ne chola riala rol ran mu ka chen kura rial na to ten to ko bendwe randet ran culture ran one nyenti ka chen chime dia nya lo mit lo dan ran jatao de nya chol lady mayor lady bar chainten ran education nyilwan mayom na totan imbe matwen nyilwel ran culture show marke maten da runarol and bola na chol lady joke to the culture ran gender and gender affairs in nyilwel male cha kodong koiloten daw ma mera yom era education daw nato you betting to internet dan de takar baja chol speaker dia marada book abong madang dang majuk na to kai beben to internet. So for now ran to kaliu kuli chol ne ran dia ne nyeti na nong twang ten nyen do to ko chei ka ba deri je ku bia ting bro lo e chola kuli chol liu ta na kal te school no exam so chinte ben to ten ko wakal. So this is my team and kudong baja gam ne ban mugudong bijala tuen ke pernami de. Thank you.
So kain mola na ekina kai tueng tan. So may again.
Okay. I, Malik, do solemnly declare that I shall abide by the aims and objectives of Agaar Community Association as set out in the Constitution. That I agree to respect the Constitution and the structure, and to work as committed member of the association. That I will work towards making Agaar Community an even more effective instrument of development. And I will defend the togetherness of its people and integrity of the association and its principles. So help me God. Congratulations. This one publicly and using a Bible because she got in the Constitution that Nyali in it out doing Bajalas having your people. When you take this publicly, it is also a declaration to the members who are present here, girl, and we are committed to the duty of government, obligation and responsibilities. So congratulations. Clap for Mama Martha, all invited guests, county leadership, and the entertaining group, Ugacha Muat, Ugacha Late. And it's all Akoi Gieu from Yirol. The capacity China then to come and swear in these people, this leadership go. On the other hand, I've been told to make short remarks to the public. However, with Bakan Luel Gal, I am very honored because the Kajanti Nakal, I should not be standing here, but because a cost followed, that is why I'm here. But most important, there is member Atem who is respected for what he did about this cause. And all of you know Honorable Madol Arol. He is my senior, he is one I respect, and he is one I'm trying to meet his footsteps. Absolutely, absolutely. all the present lawyers and all the upcoming lawyers and those who dream to be lawyers, I encourage you to do that. Thank you very much for electing your leadership and giving them the mandate to serve you. Because of time, I will shorten politics. Because I am here because politics is very important. So, Kuich Bakari recognize the presence of the leaders of our community. I want to thank my sister Ajak Ichiloi. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I tried to reach to you to congratulate you because Ichiloi, I was one of the people who is disturbed by the disappearance of the child. I got the information, I tried to work towards it, but I cannot live. Fortunately, I heard through the ambassador Gal Nyankene Chiyok, which was very good news. And one person who was instrumental, our sister Jackson. So I like you to say, Mama Luelne, Mama Martha. You are not building any apartments in Nairobi. The only thing is to take care of your community. The leadership should be there. So shukran. Number 2, Akoi Gieu we were congratulated because Kichig Loy a miraculous. Cake Ayatiako Laki Nacho Chiang Kayi. In 2008, they were about less than 1 million. Go Kangroloid and Aliabdir, the they were marrying left and right center. Go there in meet judge. Kuocgoor Dong Chian. They are over 2 million. Leg state Yagada. Because we are young. Lakin Kadat with Batia Coach Warap. And we Chol Gal Oga neighbors. Chiorukwan. And no secret that makes you so many in less than 10 years. Matelas. Everyone deserves to know because what it is no longer true. So an estimation is not the reality on the ground. We are hatching the leadership of our country that there should be an official census that reflects the number of our people so that we can ascertain who are unemployed, who are medical doctors, who are doing agriculture, a community who are pastoralists, and what is the rate of mortality in our country.
In Kajidung ai Kankaro tung Baloi doing Agam awards certificates Kagam easy ku outgoing ku July incoming chairperson. So in a Kajidung man Ujal Belo. So Kama Kang Loi doing alleged team Louis again. So economic crisis can a global, but we are fright. A good bukichikan bralo, though I be the pair. So team Diana Louis can in a team easy. Long ago, where Chan Bell Bani and a chillung charajasta. To society, Kenyan society of law. Waraka, Achakabulil ban Anong is important, Kachikaluil, Ekani, Yelong Piogi, Jene Gam, Kagata, Kanijiban, Kujoai and Jena Thief by then, a Koikadi, which subtribe to Panchalgok or subclan. I took a describe by then, okay. I think that I can even Adhiok, I will can a Gieu when we Keg Kagaban, Akoi Gieu long chip. I along here. I just took a gam long at a yegi, certificate long at yegi, Kujaga Chanka long register. Kujaga.
Shukran. I recognize everyone because of time. I welcome you all
on behalf of Agaar Community, as has been said by the rest of the speakers. At this juncture, I would like to hand it over the document that I have as a SG to the incoming SG. This document, SG, I will start with the recording book. It is written executive diary book. Get this for 2020. This diary book, it has all the records that Kuocgoor carried out for the last 3 years, in 2019 up to 2022. Now we are in 2023. 2023 is not ours. So all the record you have done. Of Agaar Community, those who are residing in Kenya. This is the file for all Agaar members, whether you are in Kakuma up to Mombasa, they are all here. When Chol was the chairperson, this was the file. I did throw it away. I have it, and I kept it, and I still hand it over to you. So, those are my document. Katakean has a SG. It is upon you. Now you have taken over the GOG. I'm not good, but I will try. En ka jaga gam marko ko ma nyir pai ko marko ka jaga gam aya ore ga wan chen ke kanga gatte ana ore chagam ke mai chor en ko kwan ke mai chor en ko chok acha ye ke ana ore chagam cho gat ta pin nomban pin Kenya to ta ke ten ban acha ye ani cho sebe ana ore chagam you walk, I don't know how to call minutes. Cái what again? Tai head in cái garden cái kiểu men mẹ đâu có lôi bên. Ai chả cái gì sẽ Kujala cái tè đi vô. Đó mà ai mấy chả. Ê apai, ai chả gì sẽ biết. En, anh có coi tên, anh đọc cái tiếng gì chẳng phải đến, I will come back. Okay. Welcome.
Mutamu ni ibu orang jadid long diat orang jalter ane Chol John Makarya yen document cha gich a chi jojeret a ke to bag major ma che ko ke ga to bag secretary me jang mora bolso document cha ki yin long diat kan counter book ken go gatten income Jala offenses, Nikin Japoni. In that file also, one proposal Kwaneko got at a sentence. Kak are receipts, official receipts for GCA. Since we are registered, Kunong Wieu Chukagam, the non-code Kenya Law Society, been certificate of renew. Got from this, Kuloko gam in their house because we are Dergel, Kutanyich, and whatever stuff. Okay, Baloi Chagich, Janbook Jambu Chok generate, and be your time by then, but financial report Bagam, at Banja by Jamten Kan.
Can certificate a cheap gum to non bang in Chija Wokakal in a Chi Yakan, Kobayagayan, Makuach, Yal Handover to Nongin. Mabruk job yek bany commission in commission de go ranachol panwai Joseph kuye no bibe yek ni special guest he appreciated the lunch nyai loyo kuye na chol monica yar amon Mabruk Yarma Kurbi Yaga Mabruk Maton Chada Cheda Yo really do for you go to keep Payakan Yakuajan would protect that dog if you did the Yan Kirkwood Elizabeth Yar and the speaker I couldn't Education Secretary, who the MC of the day, Agaar,
You clap for me.
Nanong Daman Bayuk and Bija Jam about position the anymore. The king, our uniform, a consider, I think I use a Kagam, Kapabli Kadai, Chualgana, and on age 87 different type of uniform. Akadia, Akibok Benjamin Yachavatin, Kajal Wopo, Chira then on war. No war your poem, with your war yapping, a joy thing. Kake Kak, Aka Erika Gap, Rokot, Nanong Lord Anoki, Big Bang, 87 uniform, Kawek, Jalakaton, Kumoa Kagapat, Aka Erika Gap, Erika Gavir, Bikayatin of thing, Koikok, Kuocgoor.
You are highly welcome. Let's applaud her. Let's give her a round of applause. We clap for her as she's stepping forward.
Akoi Ladman Wieu Panuman, so Agaar or guest of honor, but a good meeting or Gacha more than protocol at order to be. Kuting, I like in Buga Awerjok Community, the time in Chagiaga, Polanchuaga Honat, Baban Cogitan. I shan't but the Arbacala present a religion, but not Chagiaga. I have to stand for them. In the Canal Awerjok Community go Kitaglo. Gog a pandit for me to forth, I shan't be a part of Leg State, Kujala. Rumbe, Kuyerun, Tung, Kadia, I legislate law present. So, Levant and Ongo, Governor Port, I bet actually, and a buy, Kayan Kapiatin, so Boga Padnica Juji. So, Kuting, Levaluel, Paul Boga Proud Dog, Oya Ramwell, a long education. Levaluel, the first lady until we graduate. In South Sudan, Levaluel from Twic.
Yara roll Kachwal.
So I Kachwal, what me, I think I could legislate event. That event, Lagabi way by Akoi Gieu, Siluitin, Levaluel Uncle Daniel Winakut, and I'm proud here. Did by baby. Especially Rumbe. By then, Commander Uncle Daniel, Yene Commander, Asan Rumbe, Guben Beakan, a lone chivet. So, Ugamit for the Nale event in leadership, and a Valel color. Go get the leaders. So, our minister, can you just as a man, Erandun? We call Chaivet. So, Chaivet and Angis Akoi Gieu, Chikalu, no Quanavan. So, Dinka have a mark to know where, nor an Ping Akal. So, on a proud gog, Kodon Port in Loig. Nal event in outgoing. So, Gamit Port and now Wamata Daniel, chatting where Nikaji like a man made where Rekaloid. And I'm a matung legislate that I think a strong person, a leader indeed. So, none of the God, a real Apolana, a coin me up, a Kulel, Nurul, Kaluel, a Kotar, Kalabokoi, so a catch and Daniel. So, you back appreciate me, London and Chiloy. I yoke a late. Night young, Katoka Kaya, Ladu, Tenong. Near can so an kitchen kaga wood is the animated. It's young one. The lying you do a raka, I took a young now wake up. So Gamit was Nike Kaka. Wood a giant young pot skating to a gap, one a chinka a good chakal, that kitchen for cookie divan, Ayual, in a salad, in a church in Australia. So leadership in Akoi Gieu la bakalwel about it ke kawin ekege challenges because an new Kenya langa ko boy kala balwel time in religious and but time go to time in school time in a community are religious. So try bakai kwa yek time tiogi yit nongen Akoi Gieu jeban ke kawin negative. So try bayarir kakai ko good and in yan rumbek is panating ko rumbek is we live here Chol Marial Boltong much
guest with us today. So introducing to you the chief guest of the day, who is our mother. She's a very important woman, and of course making someone a chief guest is just not out of blues. There's something special about her that we'll hear from our words, and we'd like to call upon Mrs. Makuach from Yirol Community. Let's honor her by applauding her. Let's clap. As she's stepping forward, let's clap and make us feel special. You are highly welcome.
You may sit. In the first place, I would like to recognize the presence of guest of honor, Dr. Sunday De John, my brother-in-law. The presence of a special guest is also a chair lady, Nyan Bot. I would like also to recognize the presence of patron of the day. Whether it's not here, I would also recognize. I would like to recognize the presence of county leaders, state leaders, county leaders, outgoing leadership, incoming leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. And Tishiti Ban Jamtin, because no Marqua Totan, and Bijam Tongda, Ogaya Rudet. Nayo Kurudet, can be Jamatong Dian. But I'm sorry, Tonko shipping Tong Wanjang. English will be next time, not today. I'm sorry. Yan kaban wil chagol arincha aneshol ayan makursalar, but makursalar ashe babadia makursalar moindia, but kara shole human china lo honor takal ten because of him. If it is not him, can't you live lo honor ten? Kayen ene mali ngara chole kan ko mo indian ya mana no ti chalwel le antin ajam in labalo wherever you like kula lu ko chir ko don ta no ban choban ana cha katim ko ko ti gi yaret tim amuno wen pandia and Sunday and better can Nero India. Lakin a Newton, Mabur, a beach, also my uncle, because uncle Moindia, a short uncle there. Come on, and Chaka Tiawan Pandia Tiaga Red. Man Malit, if you are around, you can whip the ground. Also, and Chaka Tiawan Pandia that money view yen a rare yating da Queen Bor
So if you are there, you can wave the ground too. So my chairman, I also recognize you and thank you. Chikichin obe mura na non kiping ya kin Yirol ke Chloe, you can come and represent us. I'm so happy for that. Keep it up. And the Chian Banja be jumping, I think, and Chito Gatina. Kaban jumping, I leave the red. Kuocgoor Community, Chol and I was swearing into one. Kujalga, Lakin Kene, all Martin over brothers and sisters. Kachubil them at it. Chan invitation, Quantan Buko not. Kuboku. Kayen, Bagashu Kalejaret, Nechot, you over Chol, Kachin Koga Kabila wrote, Chitty ran Pandey Yampin, and Chitty Ban Chika Gam Ben, which is see that Chika Gam. Kanaya Guating Donga Yen no leadership in Gog State, in Gog Community. Sorry, but we got a state sometime. Do bana lebe gamia simen wati no wati karer simen maro rari lo connection on until bukana go ka pura lo ya kal kana go ka dai ping bidai lo lakini cho be ban wo chan kin ka kan ka tau in place. But my advice don't go simen outgoing leadership is that chan we grana non kishilwel kalangala gorbia loy chan chibu banang katino korop to kriye bana chogorbia tour na shilwel ya pola raje kayang kuberer bana yang wer ko ter pulalel ko chen na gan ko che pol double the level incoming leadership re chiwa re kumu kinwo mu rugby or register Nipin Kenya. Kana gurbu ban ku chen ku kin na non kaliu kena loy ka art. So create bana chak ting owen tikiti chiadan tin. Ke bana chaba accountability ko. Lo na gurbu ban ku chen ku tin. Achugor ka ba ka dagaj. Tade waga ike ledwana oga ki wa dai bana chika lo handle. Oba ton we ga ban. Do ban be jumping ban chu ko ban Nairobi tan ban chu ko ban Nairobi tan wa chi boy environment bu bu enjoy wele Kenya ni ar ko re jam bu bere pinye Kenya e che panda ngode youngest nation na re youngest nation a chini school porta tin na gur probe improve war chi ban tin kaman. So na rana dil taga no katin to ke beloya port in chikichen miske or family de bedil jot chalu bay pinya Kenya a chelon bu ko ban wo gon chika miet pin o chelon bi nyir biran human hair jala taw no ku gen handbag do ku chidol chin ka piang a chena yen po jo to ka ita agor ka ba ku mugnom ku bu paran ko to ba chan bu ga dai be dot ku bu ka support ra ba ka kan yi pen chimen dia na ka be ka rem a chali ni jaman du ba ri chitan me na ngo ba tu mande be jo da pana la kira ne rem ret e mor ne rem bin bulu ka ka tang pinya Kenya ke mor le rem ne kaga Agor ka ba ka loy chan ba ka tau wami mia ke ka loy ka because and badai lui na non cause that ko badai loy chan ba parent ya ba kala sure ba kita do ko rompin e kita na ko rompin na no ki chi tien tora na no ka le bilwel chan ba ka pinga ban ko che jam ban che ne pia jam yin bela fin non kudun cheng kudun chabe niar ka lomi o kene piru na non krej ka chwada ror che jam ban che ne piat kaga agor ba ka lo paran kwa ta ba randomen rare ye walk ga ka road ban kaman da kat ali wa kuma yi kuna ja ban ba ban sang e kunu bi jalo yani nge ni hakala ko ne dio ko ne tuo chinda ka no ginu che jang dio che na ka no yena hada tak ku jala yungu ban kare juru lo bana ke ka no ginu kana na chiran ba be dem ko nomran chi poi nomran no kinyi ku nomran chin kinyi ja chi to kaga ko ba ka lo ku wa ka to ku ya ka mar ko to ten ya ka lum ke mar ko na ban chi men wa ga tinga me ka nan lakin an ti bi ane mada wala ba ga yo puer wala ba ga se kana ne modwon ke chol ti ga ban are ban yo modwon na chi yo puer ku jam nge kana re chi ne lo lan kana re ki piang kurere me de ya man rana ban na ke yen kali ka ake ka boyan chan ba ga ban la go gi state wa ga chale jar ana biaran duan la wen kwan bi chiang ko kina nong nyana ga to ke je chiang ga la kina ba ka ni kwan runa rol nyana chol ayan run my best friend so ate gan ga ban ko ga ya kale jirin ke Dr. Sande de John and my brother in law ba kriye ban ka chudong chien abu ka ban luel you ko ga tin abu ka ja ban tin bu ka luel andi ke yen wa cha do ga le jar wa ga bu du ba ko ni piar ko ku leadership do na ba han do la ma ku kriye ban bu piat ka we wa cha do le shukran.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Yan Makur Tlar, our chief guest, for those nice words. I'll go straight to that I've already introduced by name Dr. Sunday De John. You are welcome.
Guest of honor. Yanma Futular, special guest, chair lady Nyan Board, Jala leaders Katod Pen, Kuchiko SPLM, who are supposed to be my rivals, Jala Koj Muk, leadership squad leader Ben, Koj Bandian, Greater Yirol, Dagrin Twic, Bandian, Greater Rumbek, Jak Marial, Kujala Ben, Chija Bayekto Jakal, muk leader Chol Gok, Jala Koj Kajalatoy no Muk Machuar Machet Kanim, Jala Koj Guirka Kachol Electoral Commission, Jala leaders Bogan Kok, Chimin Midu Warap, Totten, Mida Will, Jalagan Kok, Chimin Equatoria, Wagachaka more than Matay. Actually, I am going to mix my speech because I have seen one somewhere. And there is possibility also of no nuclear somewhere. So in this gathering, there could be Bari, there could be Madi, there could be Mundari, who are not going to speak in Dinka. But you will not be bored. I'll throw in one or two things for your good. My name is Sunday De John. I am from South Sudan. This is not a political forum. I would have talked of my identity. But Molana Akoi has made an hint before. We are going to touch on something. Kituengen bakang luel we koje kachol gok mari. And a mitpo akal iaka jitani ay manduan. And a moin gok enen panechol yirul. We wagay gok panechol chwebet. Ke gok Ejel go gongda. Koje ke chol pathionga kan achira ne chol general Ladi Zakaria Jalwan bibin la nyot tie chol pathiong. Mida dor to ta na nyit pathiong. De no ngul trading ilo chir. E bai long jel ke tin ke ko ya ting tan ke. Ke o ko yerul. O gai Duon Yuel the Math, Kulil Kuga, and work of the Tower, Kolong to Gurbaga, or one yin, Ugiyame, Kapanamada, Lucky Nagara, one mother. Panachol Chuabet, Iranachol mature my check. A Janya Majaredi. In a Banyril Quo, Neanel in a balladla. A Chevavenocoy Kujaila, Yaila, and which a word. I think it's a word in the buy Yan Mai. We'll call the Kacholga, Unonkaga Kulchian, Gurba, Koiba, Wen Chinpin, team near Yakatingatan, a team with Poria Laret. Akoi non Keglo, Karabaka, Ache Matcha Sake. Ogake can a keke because I are you big road at chopping in a kena kekakoi. None on Kuocgoor Kanajana kekaway. Kea keke red a good way like a cold. Kuldo, I have feeling that Tiliga and then Nairobi tan Kabir Woodin and Gogabakatindo. And the keke I will uncog a kiddy la churu. A ken kankur. Do jam kajipo. Chenake Alaki Kinamachuar. Do not say Galgo. A good special representation. Gog a giant. How do you expect a giant be represented in a special way? Look here in the history of liberation. The Panachol Gieu Sudan. The early days. First group SPLA Chipoy, Big Saba with Tiba Kaj, Tinachol Bilpam, Jala Bongo. A Chol tiger with himself. Jolaka loom, Bukanaka Kirmayar, Ulokana, Kagra Natural around Tonaro in terms of command. Lucky Natuk Medani. Kamedana Chituk with a lot of divisions, one after the other. Whether a Korean 2 or a Kadenachol more. I think Gong, Kin Banatana. Now a collection of every information that led to the birth of the SPLM. Kawaganong Rantin, Nael with Kawaga joined. Ranechol Dictor Ramon was there. Akagaya court, Ekayati, Kubugaran, Bijabe Lokban, Akoi Chief John the Baptist, our messengers. And I just got in Bukajat Nam divisions take away. Kubijal will not don't have a letter. Yaka when I could to our Akakwanto. Kaya when I could kill you ten of our result, but Thornton, Kakachol to Kujalaki, Chol chap. That is not a man, if you work for Kajaba, learn on the Vidovaka. There are a county, a big up here, the Yaran Gogaril. Don't give me Maria when I like every time that I chatter in a coin move. A crew low and a yellow baloo, a regular mother panel, Bijaman and a yellow. What she got low. A natural professor called a man tier. Akoi Gieu, Panachol Junub. A scholar from Theatre Cambridge at the level of PhD. And he became the first South Sudanese Benang right to lead the deanship of the Law School of Khartoum University. And he was the one in charge of developing our constitution, the one that we will call permanent constitution later. In the current generation, you are not left behind. You are not left behind. There are young men that are called my young brothers. Ato. Oganong Dictor Nyimpiu Tong Chol. Emanduan is my colleague. Oganong Dictor Chol Makura Chek. Emanduan is my colleague. He's here. There are so many other doctors that I know. Iga Jamalik. Chiglatio. Nyanmalin Mabok. Anyirkun. We have known them by name. Oganong Ranechol Tuao Lonchingwa. Emandanyan Kudide. Emanduan. Where are you calling these names of yours that I don't chen? Where did you get them from? Kaka? Aga with ya. Because Goga Matondi. I don't know Kutin Chida, Kachidiao Yinmong. Kajam Karana Kene, a local way to know Quantra Yintin. Would be literally a Japanamanko. Gog Kujara, Kujara Tiachol, Yirol, I am an entity that are intertwined and they have been created by God, who is located in the center of the Republic of South Sudan. Ting do ne that commit in a gang bar pande twin. Not because in a man ting do, but in a man cham commit. This is a question, a conflict of interest which I generated. Luckily, I am not here to incite anyone against his family. Now, India, Kukaro, we getting in Garo, talking up that the kitchen, you better think to alone be point clear quite certain. A go Kakeliam yet, Kadia. Work quite to a bed, work non Malay Runa Khan, Chakber leadership. Malek in a Kurbaila Khan, in a Jukor, Udumuchu a bed, Kuiloi. Now, which you are very weak, as you be quite mature, much yet. Kachi mature low acting painter, mature and Kujamo, and Uncle Deno the Venom of Tiago, ye piat, we moved out Treadway, we could end up at Joga and you in a year, Kayoki get took. A Vijan will and Yoki mature loom. You are an integral leader who brings young and old together. So, Mukafadan, I don't have by wet because who rebel. Kajua jare da chil lagi, and I in Bruna or Jalat Bob, Bayalu Kapole, Kabivaya Tiangi. I do not have to talk much to you because Mil Runkop, I took a short last can I check to him, over you call to him, Kulo, Ketichika to Runan in Welton and a kid bad year, Banyala Welton, because Kidaki Log Leo. We have been involved in affairs of our Gazal. Oga Kit Kang la Koi Benchen, Oga Kit Koi la Jambi or Dolgu, Oga Kit Koi Kok la Dolgu. I believe in a budget, one moon casual, Ujala wet cock to twin. In Bang, in Chibana manner, will you have a band on here? Correct, in the Villa Adamo. Whistleblower in our group of Pentagon, Ayual Way to Jalati to Lama call about the estimate. Calculation is estimated. This is a calculation of their film. I could be quite one him, but they would. Oh, then can't get a young which are by the money and Arapanai. Because Yarapan with a young lay, well, Apanai, well, a unity state, I cook it. Can't and then you can look with Chodum, Ragnajo, a muddy event, a catcher, half of Warap. Some become young digital. Well, let's a kid doing with 1 million of leaders. Left in the Agatar, they told me by quailing and doing it. And I get a more good Martin. Million of the Kongor, a Adam to didn't. Just look at the people near you here. Now let me watching you tell and I am more than 500 Katikam because I like get Indian. Lucky now will go head to head car in a Yogada. Those days, Loic census, they are now with Caro or Lois census. But your bed to Chenet or Chenkan, quite of Abba and Chinch of Ban because I have a Vidia. Quite a true drop. A Chinkalu and Tintin. And that our country is going to the war for that reason. I want to tell you, whether you are Nuer, whether you are Equatorian, or you are Dinka from whichever, you are not going to win. What we can do is, let us forget about the negative sentiments and build cohesiveness so that we become a nation that is prosperous and self-sufficient. Because I am welcome, Uma Burgara, you know, Bakir Manna, did I work out of Akoi? You know, Bakir Manna, Kinamarqua Oakban. Kuna Kinamarqua Oakban, there will be no single day we will allow you to take a portion of it to anywhere that you think you want to go to. That land belongs to you when you are there, and if you want to go, it remains with us. Okay? But who will welcome you where you are going? Here we are to grace in terms of education and health services. And perhaps somebody wants to enjoy the weather, like the drunkards who have school fees but they don't go to school. I don't give a damn. If you are a drunkard, I don't give a damn about you. Go to it, I'll make it out with you. You can never be accepted anywhere with only yet the opportunity to enjoy the much you are enjoying. Today, a gentleman from Central Equatoria has an equal right like somebody from Lake State to claim the presidency of our nation. Is that not true, Wani? It is true. You are a son of South Sudan. Who will prevent you from reaching there? Your political inadequacies alone are the ones that will stop you. But if you have the vibrancy, you will be able to make it to the top seat. And it is not a lie. It has happened before. Where does somebody called Joseph Laguyanga comes from? History tells us that he comes from a place called Numili, from Madi community. Madi is not equal to Bari. He is not equal to Mandari. is not equal to Kuku or Kakwa or Pujulu in terms of numbers. True or false? They fall within the category of Eastern Equatoria. They are not more than Letuko or Teposa. They are a minority. But Lagu has projected himself as a statesman. He became the leader of the Republic of South Sudan today. Why did Lagu manage that? Because he's a man gifted with a good brain and he has South Sudan at heart. If you think you would dislike the other South Sudanese, so you become a leader, you will only become a leader of your mother. The only way you become a leader of all is to project and love all. This is my message to South Sudanese. South Sudan will never be partitioned as long as we are alive. We will not accept that. If you are in opposition and you want to partition South Sudan, we'll sabotage you. And we have ability and tools ready to do that. Try it. Because there are people here that call themselves separatists. Separate from who? Who will accept that? We will not accept that one. It is us that will fight you here. That is politics. Sorry for dwelling so much there. I want to talk to the students. Students that are here, why are you not getting inspiration from your brothers? There are some who were in school, and those days when others were in school, they are still there now. And those who were in primary school and secondary school have come to the university, they have graduated and they have applied for masters, like Santo Adudi is here. Okay? There are students who were with us here in the universities, and Santo was in high school. He reads, we look him there to see what he is studying at the level of secondary school. And we were all in the university. Now, you refuse to graduate. Santo, who was in secondary school, came to the university. He finished. He is now going for masters. Is your education valid again? Do you feel good about it? Chogar and Timo Makon, chapche Vetwak name. Education pen allows in us. Do not think that you will win all these girls in Nairobi. Even if they come to your house in one day, you will even be rescued because you want to commit suicide. Yeah, they will come, they eat. They will come, they need to be dressed smartly. They will come, they need a clean environment. Your room will be too small for all of them. Why are you wasting your time? Because you are chasing girls. That is one. When we were not born, there was alcohol. It was there. It was drunk by people we don't know, people that we read in history. They have been taking alcohol, and here you are, sticking to it, thinking that it will end with you. That is a lie. It is you that will end, and the alcohol will still be there. Stop alcoholism. It is not the ladies that are prostitutes. Even men that would want to sleep with all girls are also prostitutes. What do you want to achieve through that? You will achieve two things. One, you will lose your reputation. Because you are sleeping with this lady, you are damning them, you are going to the next one. You will have about 10 exes. Okay? You will have 10 ex-girlfriends that do not know themselves, but if they happen to know themselves, they'll become a very strong team. And they will always be pulling down your underwear, and you will be in trouble. Women are not easy. Don't make them toys, because they are what we are. That is how I look at the women. Just imagine, there are also boys that gossip about the ladies. Yesterday you convinced her to sleep with you, today you are gossiping about her. Are you sound? Do you think you are intelligent? Look at it from my angle also. Few years ago in Nairobi here, there was too much about ladies that is being said in restaurants and under the buildings in town. Ladies are being spoiled. There was a day I spoke in a meeting, and I don't know, many people did not like my meetings. I mean my statement in that meeting. I said that you people are gossiping a lot. Why can't you put here a board, just clean one, give me a pen, let me list the ladies that I know. If you happen to get your mother among these people, how will you feel? What I want to convey was very simple. You don't bring it. We are supposed to reflect. Now, Mama dear, okay? Why are we serious about the choices that our mothers have made? These things should stop. You calculated the mathematic question better than me. You say, mathematics are written near vaginal wall. That one will give me pain. Because I am not going to joke. And one quite lad by the Abdul and I can't quite call. And I'm still the other one chance to Kakaro on value. Do not think that I'm a bay, so in a Yamata de king. To a Mavia, keep by what well. Now we don't know it, you know, because it, Babadia called a general, but not until Kadiman. Kadam Kinagan, Dagrin, Babade General, LT General, Nam Dakil Gadi. Kaka Kalen Rintwin, till where Kakalena long are you? Please. Good things actually inherited from your father. Basically, Kagera and Lobe competed in the world, including a degree. But to work out my medical degree to go to command the NHL Ton or Wamaske. It's not going to happen. Ton must have his own degree. Talk about in Wawetke because they are attacked. They are attacked whether in Nairobi or Longtui. They are to Nairobi 10. Wagajala by, who are quite catty. We are waiting when Nepchok, when I'm with Kakaro, Winter, Winter, when Miskaro, Wieno. A chamber, a ducat, doom by Cathy Tap and Jaladu Miska, Bijam White, Punumjanangano. Because at that point, why are you not grateful? The non ending one move the Imoja big. Kuba class do I thing. Wagaji Balada can work a shot because I should talk with. Tia work here in the town called where I should not be a war. But Kenya, to know me the legs. What I like about our youth, my brothers from Warab and Equatoria, is that our youth do not involve dirty politics on Facebook. There used to be hunters. They call themselves city hunters, Alobu Mudeten, and all this. They are meant to destroy the society by posting private parts of women. Can I try one day to force your private part? Try! You do that one. Take a picture of your private part and post it. How will you feel? You are feeling good about somebody's private part, and you are feeling very uncomfortable if it is yours. Are you not thinking? We repeat this because they also repeat themselves. Let us be very serious and let us think positively about our society. If we have positive attitude about our society, society will remain good. Just because the Jana Pupato Manga Kijal walk. But you don't know really. You keep the Rojato will move without doing man. The Jan Fian, the Luna Jalpin to the Gen, Galpin, the Donga team, Galpayato. No, it's not a good thing. Galpin, the Donga quite cock, Kujan. I say, even open Canito. We should not be here forever. And I'm very grateful. The dagger in Kangloy on Kochabe Perko in a welcome. Oh, Koya, you can Ogabo family, in Kanachi Mantelar, at Chiluenia. Quite Chatka Atania, the Adyar Wamatja. And a non Tingajol Ding Makui, a Jol Man Malit, the Ting Wama Temulona cook. Quania non Tingajol Ring Manok, a Jol Man in you, the Ting Wama bag in Machar. Quania and a non Mantelar, a Ting Makur Telar. Kagadiarke. I chatka chot caro. I chot chatka, and on Kiddy Jola Robnyo, Kanyek. That funny gentleman. A man bite, a man lives. Kujalama Borbit Makir. Wouldn't be yoga? A watchijam Kalagalo Galo, Bucock la name. Now Bucock get a name Woga Coy in Nairobi. A Muvugla Loy. Because got a leadership project when Kuting project there. I left Kuocgoor, the Arnong by winter. Choga Kuocgoor to Kuocgoor, Yigi, Benka shopping. Jenny Lawyer, a yig bomb, and Aver Velano Central Bank, quite a new Vela tap with Makuach Gieu numbers. I think Kuocgoor. So it's in Kitty longer. Kewaraban Bugalati because they're your non-mark. Get the Warab, our guy on by. randire yon ba ko ngum chat ke yet ko kriya jo ata tin man ke warap bi warap ya pel binya lakin leadership to ever our group in moment ko mugma kutular ngom long tu ye $1,000 bi yekwe not more than that o wache kanang group with associations total lo ay ke din and I want you back community actually Equatoria back there bichang da date. We need to mingle with Equatorians so that they can understand us. When they are far away, they will think we are Dinka. When we are far away, we will think they are either Madi, Bari or what. But the truth is we are all South Sudanese. Ima? Kalam de masa? Kula na junubin sa? Ulona na kula na junubin lazim na kunu mabat. Kula ukit. Lo mashin sawa. Mabizon mumkin bishubu yan khati fidaru اسم قبيلته مش كلام ده صح لازم نكونوا مع بعض لو في اي حاجه ناس إكواتوريا قاعد يعملوا كده ذكرونا عشان نمشي هناك نتكلم مع جاد بلدنا لانه بلد ماشي بطريقه ما كويس في ناس بيقابوا وفي ناس في البلد وكلامات كله لخبط ناس بيتكلموا بحاجات يعني ما بجيب بلد ده سوا لما كنا في كنادق مع هنا انا بكون قاعد مع ريكا هنا ورا كفويتا ده ما بلد امي وقاعدين نشاغل هنا مع عرب في كفويتا جنبي من استوائية بيومين من بكرة ما عندنا كلام زي ده جبنا بس للسلطة بواسط كير ده قاعدين تشوف دينكا بيعمل ما في نانا هنا جانين في نيروبي كير ذاته ولا بدينا ولا قرش لكن بنشوفه رمز بتاع الدولة عشان كده شكرا.
Thank you so much.
Chief guest, chair lady with our women's session, chair lady with our greater leg. Ladies and gentlemen, outgoing Kujalai coming and Akuma Chol. Congratulations, Alekum. Wachakale. So, I think it is Bulo. Tokuro, but Boka Gubaya Kalada.
And bro, lewe. Ani shola yo tu ringatia. Kaya na niya kanda to ko ilek taman to ben. Ko kuja. And it's presenting. I'm sorry to say. For Bachalian dia. So where we need to go you not man. And honorable yo tu ringatia. Now we kuja.
Honorable Nairobi and honorable state. So the year that I team who quite them who might the man of place. So honorable Naria, highly welcome. Thank you. So Madam who Madina okay, your community. Alright, yeah, okay. Yang karwen, Dinka. You want me to make a joke? I have been one. Bangga.
Thanks for what you do. You're very welcome. You $100.
Ajana tarkuber malianchol. Malianchol wali yetiongbo. Nananamgaman. Dinga jaman, she and the being a jaman when the Giyan left by. Younger Yadawe by. The Pina Gabino, Quan in a bowl, Japina Gaberbo, Parangaton, Arok, Jabinji John Garanya, Pinagaman, Malwang, Yanube, Yana Quick Yanga, Pujunu Sudan, the Benchi, Malelko, Yanube, Cheran, Junub, and I chairman, Junub, Talbakir, Dr. Young Macha, we got him in Malokadi. Well by Kuwait, he's a marumi, get the alcan. We got you in man, we got a fine one in Junub. Like a cake, dog up in Junub, Changabu, you. Get a laying down on me, the cool Kay, Chavi, Junub. A bear could yell, Jong, Junub, a chick and the market, you can why could I? Well, in more that chicken, Corman, and you wait, younger feet. A Joe, Junub, a Joe, Junub, Fanda. Amara jalwa jara na bani babanga
chama kada karetene ude bana ba kulwaradol wananga banche no kwende na kada kaga ke you ban bana ba mucho wa tene piado to kulchire chalwen ya gamizya to kule bila bote na bini ke yalo odawe utege tene bula etacham wala jibula yanga mo jitunga wanya kol kor mo jan tunga yanga mo jitunga wanya danga ke mo jan tunga odawe ebuna bute bula el chola chola komitangi junu bemien yungu ke yambi kada gino era chol de mi dali wen ke yambi kada gino akora chon gutiel na dire na munda mukadana enjir mi adi junu pire ji amunde ga jiram poli randi kumet kan ban na dai ka me latan gudan ke chor kuma ka chen gudan ke chor kuma tam gujui ke chor kuma ke daleng da on mi de sukul ke je chabe junu aber kudial jong junu ba ji ka ni mar ke da chayo ke loy kudayo balen mo ja chin ke tin kon manganyen we janga pi ajojo piri junu ajojo piri junu fanda amara jalwa jora na bangni bangla bang ki chora belwa kana bana chi kokor mela non chada loy le kunai le ba
Ini aki golo kacha loy Kuocgoor Community tiog bakang be tenepo meten from 1999 in Kakuma, which is part of Kenya here. Niki mirgami ujaha nyirke ujupo melke Chol GCA Agaar Community Section. In a poem 1999 Kenya ten kene ke Britain Balwell at Kichbiki Gwala Twin. Kene nas section zero when the man a poem here. But she the ship management by any buying 2019 Quenya on second. The first thing Chaloy Kuocgoor Community to make sure because Chol cultural day Baloy because many poem these are session. Kubanchi majibandi ka kwen we wana ato batime aliu. Akiro kang leo wabeben bani ke hukuma ukweli on second January 2019 alechere rapa ngwan where set official cultural event which is below Aliquin one of the thing Kirokang Law is in any bank anymore. In the first cultural event Shug Law in Aliquin and then followed by so many dear BIGBOY Mapior, dear Achanjo Bella Teneban along with culture can Tirabelo Kilan Ben Kekuanta Quainten Kilmahem one of achievement hukuma dia Kichol culture cha achieve because nakajweti anyi ba ka chan bejam. Number 2 Ekichan Kichola station go, Chana register. A check up all you work by. A check like dar back up. I know bang bed them about them about you really day. The Koidar painted in the first, I think, and a go community a fast community. Just a section to register, constitution to register. Saga chair confused one and they will register. But now, go community a child section to register under my administration. I can't board work by no obstacle joy. Nearly a cha book on get team here. Kitchen Benny Louis. I think area. Can one of achievement number 2. Kekichi Ukuma dear Jalkan Kichilo leaders cop annual advice. You try by Panmo Bagadbe can Koikon anytime. Kagoga Ni Kenya, Kuocgoor Community saying Ukito only more coachijal, a big up the Twic, a big up the Louis Kalajik. That's why you always try with Benanko and Kulo. Relation outside the Kanicalo, a will community. And by a giant over a team there to put up Toma Leru, who coach a jar, Waki Jalagogi, who Abijalo Tokako, who Jukuko Bealo, Gogo, Koywan Chikan Kum there, but a Jachi or Ajal by
Ayan Makutlar, Chief Guest Dr. Sunday, Mama Mata Chol, Honorable Yorturi in absentia, my brothers Gekapinjene, Molana Makoi, Santo Above, Mayan Malong, Kujala, SPLM Chairman, Panyar, Agata Kamot, the incoming leadership, the outgoing leadership. We got a come out. Ataban well article well ben. Currency as a kill well. Dr. Sunday Jamaret. So I think the speaker is a benefit in Kubugluel. Tagaja Tokro, Kabika led the incoming leadership. Dr. Sunday is a great well. He has talked socially, Adijam politically, maybe he can be appearing at the economic part. Kecil loita nakal. Kepada the birthday in your leadership. Kuocgoor Community ko bakaloi. Unata katoli leadership tan. There is no event that is as beautiful as this one. To the leadership labet, we got a Buga leg. It is an encouragement. Don't quite ba. Natizama dento. Kabalwel to the incoming leadership, in Captain Kujala Timdu, Malega Captain because the Captain didn't Kuraten. In Captain Kini Chija Koyan Akal, Kuocgoor Community Akech, a better union by. You need to keep your community in harmony. Brand Benta Kamit Po. Welfare of your community. Abita in community do. The Legin Akoi Gieu within your community. The first person to carry your gain. I cannot be better I know. I can get it up is to take responsibility of your community. Naling Kiba Agor, Kabia Yok through in. Jogi rich Koinka, Imbia at the internet, than to begin Jintaka. I just want to address a simple issue. In Maleki Nichiban Bani, as an initiative that the community is your priority from today. Legen Koloi, the community has to be there. Blanky alone. Within Lake State, Akoi Gieu, we've always done the same things. Kena Wieu ba mugnom. Gok rumbek ku Yirol barkazala daj jogata keto kelo iku. Kena Wieu be your leadership Ubenta in the same place. Allah is called I think a little in here, the outgoing leadership. Can I be a book no apart? Jamdia thing a book item.
Special guests, chief guests, students, state leaders, protocol, good evening. I will be straight to my speech. My name is Apurakwa, the chairperson of Western Barakazal State Association here in Kenya. I'd like to begin by congratulating all the new office bearing who are taking the heart of office today. I believe all of you under the responsibility ahead of you and that you are all prepared to deliver beyond conventionally expectation.
Maybe a group that be man kaped loike. As a current colleague from Lagos State, Buga Buga law protected. Ba kakuni objective ku baka lo achieve. Buko intendana. Yini achieve go ba to. Chol Daniel Mapior na kachen gala through red. A lot of items actually a little. Kuelana dega yigok ne thor. Keen Vivaloi by a goblier in a young, but in a someone very humble, and he couldn't be leadership to be at. And a chairperson from Rubegnos County, and a chief delegated. Special
guest, Chair Lady of Kongor Women Association, Duot Awerjok. Guest of honor, Ayan Makuach. Chief guest, Dr. Sunday Dijon. Community leaders, state leaders, sub-community leaders, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Riankia and Chol Chol Marial Mother, and a South Sudanese, Kwane in Lake States, Agaar. First and foremost, I would like outgoing leadership and the leadership who are much work. I could appreciate because of the wonderful work that they have done. I just think political and the external relationship to the communities. Much work applied in 2019, like 20, when I had just finished high school, and I'm meeting Lake State Jonathan in town at Norwich. That although that meeting, I can't much work in a good light. And the first time, he's a good leader who possesses all the qualities of a good leader. He fights for his people, and that is a wonderful thing. Go Community is a community that I hold with a very high regard because I know genes from there. My mama, and Papior from Apadang. Led by my very good brother, Narol. Malek and your team, congratulations. Today You become the voice of the community. You become the eyes of the community. Anything that the community would like to do or say, they will do it through you. At this juncture, all I can wish you is, I can only wish you well in your leadership, together with your team. It is not something easy, but I believe you will manage. These actions and an example, just lead by an example. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll rest my case here. Thank you so much and do have yourselves a good evening. Something to do with the support. So leadership Malay, from Ramu office, you will get 10,000. I will give you 10,000.
And another legislate, when a deputy chairperson of legislate. I key a couple of low one maker and the legislator recognized the being dedicated one low one. The cake is found that way more than the bind one. The day to any a senior youth that got a change of $400 because you were. Kujala man the senior youth pay. Get a good that a child. Chol John Aduldul Malau. Ere jang wo ye 100. Ke gare ke pin in a moti German ye we kan. Ke gede ta chok. Jam dia Awerjok awil karo aba kalwe. Waru no wati damala. Na adaman kila wan. Iki Chairman Jal Kujiran to Chiena and Jala Kursa, who an apple chicken below Kujalwe. And I keep them and be yellow because I haven't been walk off. And I do very jam ready. The major on the ballet. Kachima to a lawyer can I chop out cook cooking our contact, cock the good below. Women. And I tell them, and Allah, remember you got here. But the Kaka, Yak Lok Banga, Kaju Guterban Guchet file Kukuno, Kuocgoor Community. Again, Yen was war in the Jaleja, Yin in the Chashim and Karo, I got you Pasagari. In the chief association, get a jet Kenya. Then a very important.
Will rename. Because by our low green chairman, you have to have a clear mind. Where executive value convinced. Navarro with that funny statement.
From you, Comrade Daniel Mapior, you are a great leader indeed. The example you have shown us today, you know it is very difficult for many people. Some do not do like this. Even you have been given a electoral commission, you stuck on the way. You don't even want to give it out. But you have created a good example. So congratulations, Mr. Chairman. I will urge all the youth to get into SPLM. You know SPLM is our mother party, Comrade Dr. Sunday Dijon have mentioned some issues about SPLM. But I like your mind, Comrade Dr. You are a great leader. It is my first time to hear from you today. But my advice to all of you and to you, let's get into the hours of the SPLM.
Song in Arabic. أنا بشكر قوقتي على برنامج الليلة ده وأنا بشكر the old leader Daniel for great job he did, and I thank all of you guys who are here to attend the program. And my advice for the new leader, Malik, I want him to be as Daniel was, to be a good leader to control as well. And sisters and our biggest people who came here to give all Central Equatoria. Thank you.
John Makuach. Kang Luel. Alej nong Kochiban ba? Kujala Geba Wana. Ayana Makur Tala.